Hey travelers! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I just want to show you how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific. When you book a ticket sa website man or through a travel agent, I advise na mag-decide ka na kung meron ka bang ipapa-add na baggage or wala para makatipid ka. In our booking portal, kapag nag-add ka ng baggage upon booking your ticket, yung presyo ng 20 kg ay 448, yung 32 kg ay 784, yung 40 kg is 1,232. And later on in this video, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung presyo ni Cebu Pacific kapag nag-add baggage ka after na-book na ang iyong ticket. So medyo may kamahalan siya ng konti. So now, punta ka sa cebupacificair.com and click Manage Booking. Enter booking reference number and the surname and click Continue. So this is your itinerary. So print or view my itinerary, settle my balance, and buy add-ons. So i-click mo itong buy add-ons. Okay. Change flight, cancel flight, add and fund, wag mo yung i-check. Dito ka sa manager add-ons, i-click mo itong prepaid baggage and click continue. So dito, i-click mo lang itong add. And ito na yung 20 kg. Ito yung presyo, and ito yung presyo din ng 32 kg, and then 40 kg. So, mag-a-add ako ng 32 kg. So, booking summary, amount due, 1,062.88, and then, i-check mo lang ito, and click continue. So, payment transaction history. How would you like to pay? You can pay through credit card, PayPal, payment center, or sa travel fund. Ang gagamitin kong payment method ay PayPal. So, just click PayPal and then meron ditong instruction. Check I fully understand and click Submit Now. Mare-redirect ka dito sa page ng PayPal. Enter your email address ng PayPal mo. And then, the password. And pagkatapos, i-click mo itong login. So, your PayPal, nasa loob ka na yung PayPal account. If you have many bank account na naka-attach dito, piliin mo lang kung ano yung bank ang gagamitin mo to pay your add-on baggage. Okay, and then processing. Kapag nakapili ka na, i-click mo lang itong Pay Now. And then processing siya. And your request is being processed. So, this is your itinerary. Same pa rin yung booking reference number, pero kung i-view mo itong itinerary, meron na siyang naka-add na 32 kg na baggage. So, yun lang guys. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. If you want to print your itinerary, just scroll down and click Print Itinerary. If you have questions, just comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Keep safe everyone! Thank you for watching!